So in this lesson, we're going to look at working with templates. Templates are the foundations of SolidWorks documents. They contain basic document information such as document settings and custom properties. You can create a template from any SolidWorks document by simply saving the document in a template format. These formats can be seen on screen as .prtdot for parts, .asmdot for assemblies, and .drwdot for drawings. The templates will come particularly in handy when producing working drawings for output 5 and output 9 of your DCG Leaving Cert SolidWorks assignment. So the first thing, we will go up to our menu in the top left and we will click File and New. And in this instance, we're going to use a part, but it doesn't matter if you're creating an assembly template or a drawing template, you'll follow the same method. So we're going to click on the part. And we're going to use SolidWorks out of the box in this case. So in the Novice tab. So once our interface opens up, we're going to click on System Options. So that is the options. It's the wheel up on top in our menu bar. So we're going to click on that. And there's two tabs in this. One of them is System Options, which we'll look at later. And the one we're concerned with now is Document Properties. So Document Properties give you all the tools to edit your template to your own priorities. So the first one is Drafting Standard. So the overall drafting standard in this case is ISO, but there's other ones available to you, ANSI, DIN, GIS, depending on what you want. So we're going to choose ISO because that's one we use in our DCG Leaving Cert assignment. The second one down is Annotations. So from here you can customize the font you want in your notes that will appear in your part drawing. So we could change the font to Arial, change it bold, italic, whatever suits. In this case, I'm going to go with bold. You can underline your notes, strike out whatever you want yourself. So we click OK there. Next, we can edit our attachments. So how we are going to attach our notes to our models. So I like to choose the shaded in arrow. And I'll use this for both our attached and unattached notes. The third thing down is our leaders. So I like to use bent leaders and a shorter leader than that, so we're going to customize it to 3.5. This will ensure that all our note leaders are the same length. Okay, so I'm going to go back up to the left tab and we're going to choose dimensions. Now there's a large range of options we can choose for dimensions. Again, we can edit the font to whatever we choose. I'm going to keep it on Century Gothic. We can edit the arrows and their size. We can choose again the style of arrow edge you like. I'm going to keep it with the shaded in one. The offset distances. These can all be altered to your preference. We've detailing, grid snap. We leave them as they are. Most of the set units are okay for us. Units. We'll make sure our units are on mmgs. So this is millimeter, gram, and second. So this is the metric unit that we'll use. Other ones include IPS, inch, pound, second, meter, kilogram, second, depending on which unit you're using, but we'll use the metric, which is mmgs. Model display, material properties, image quality. Here we can alter the quality of our image. So to the right it gets better, to the left it gets worse, but as it gets better it will also get slower and take longer to load. So a happy medium somewhere in the middle will suit us. Okay. Sheet metal, we'll worry about that at a later date. Weldments, plain display, configurations. So we click OK on that. We're pretty much happy with our template now. Now we look at changing the material for our template. So we go over here to the feature manager and right click on the part's name. Go down to material and edit material. So in this case, we're going to change our material to stainless steel. So we'll click on the steel tab, scroll down and click on the stainless steel option. So we can click apply then and close. And now the material being used in this template is stainless steel. So when we're happy with that, we can go up and save the document, just like we would any regular part file. So now save as, and in the save as type drop down menu, we are going to look for the part template. So here it is, part templates .prtdot. So if we're doing it for an assembly, we'd look for the assembly template. And if we're doing it for a drawing, we'd look for the drawing template. So it all depends on what type of document you're using. So we will click on the part templates. Now we'll go to rename our file. So I'm going to call this file stainless steel. Stainless steel template. So I'll be able to locate it again. And I'm going to create a new folder on my desktop, new folder called my initials and templates. So from now on, I'm going to store all my templates in this folder so they'll be easy to find. So I'm going to click into it and save my template. And one important thing to do is to close the file so it'll avoid any more editing to your template. So that's all for this lesson.